Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend Earn Access account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Earn Ways Access login. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for Netspend Earn Ways Access. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page. You must notice that it is only available on the App Store and Google Play. So go ahead and download the Netspend Earned Access or Netspend Earned Ways Access. If you scroll a bit down, you can see the QR code. Go ahead and scan the code, download the Netspend Earned Ways Access app, and then log into your account. It's that simple, guys. All you need to do is open Netspend Earned Ways Access, click on the first link, and you can see that this page will open up. Scroll a bit down, scan this code with your smartphone, and then download it. After download it, you can simply go to login, and then you can log into your Netspend Earned Ways Access app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.